I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast on this Tuesday afternoon where temperatures are again sizzling under partly cloudy skies. As we always do, we'll start you off with live looks as we record this around 2:30 in the afternoon. This one in Uptown Normal, showing partly cloudy skies. Same thing over in Peoria as well. I do want to flip over to X-Vision real quick and show you a little bit of activity that's actually starting to show up. Most of it is east of our area. But you can see a few showers right now. Southern McLean County starting to fire over by Hayworth. This is nothing severe or anything like that. And then getting into DeWitt County over towards Wapella. More activity is really actually towards the Champaign-Urbana region and towards Danville as well, and that will extend into Indiana. Unfortunately, all of this is going to continue to push off towards the east. Here's the loop over the last couple of hours, so we're not anticipating any thunderstorm development across our area, unfortunately, as we roll through the next few hours. And the rain chances actually extend all the way in the southern portions of Illinois, where they desperately need it. We need it too, but they're actually even worse off down to the south than we are, believe it or not. And then some pop-up thunderstorms right now pretty much scattered across central Indiana. Again, all moving east and away from us. What we do have is the extremely warm, hot temperatures, 94 in Peoria, 95 in Bloomington, 97 in Galesburg. Feels like temperatures near or above 100 degrees, 98 in Peoria, 101 in Bloomington, and 101 in Galesburg. Midwest temperatures, it's hot everywhere. You can't really find any relief from the heat anywhere near us. It's 100 in St. Louis, 97 in Des Moines, 99 in Chicago. And here's the feels like. Again, feeling like 100 degrees in most locations or above that. Heat advisories, no surprise, in effect for much of the Great Lakes region. Excessive heat warnings around Detroit and Toledo. In eastern Michigan and northwestern Ohio. That's really about it. A few severe thunderstorm watch boxes now for upstate New York and in southern Georgia and the panhandle of Florida. That's really all that's going on. Mid-70s as we head through the overnight tonight. Again, it will be a very toasty overnight. Temperatures will be hot again tomorrow into the upper 90s to around 100, especially down to the south. Now, we do have some rain chances, but it looks like it will stay north of Interstate 74, so those of you south of the interstate are going to be on the toasty side. Heat index values, again, 105 plus, with that heat advisory extended now until 7 p.m. tomorrow night. Here's Futurecast, and not looking real great, and this is what we were afraid of. No big surprise, though, with the more recent model runs that have been coming out over the past few hours. Cold front will be moving in from the north. Good rain chances up towards northern Illinois, Chicago, Rockford, Galena, all probably going to be seeing some good rain. But as this starts to draw down to the south, because of how dry we are, rain chances really start to fizzle out. There will be rain chances, especially along the I-80 corridor, maybe north of Interstate 74 as well, but very scattered. So most people will not see the rain. It'll be a setup like we had this weekend. It'll be very hit or miss. Same thing goes for Thursday, although we have a little wave that may pop through, riding right along 74, possibly. Again, the exact track is going to be a little bit unknown, and this is probably overdoing it just a little bit. But there will be chances, at least through the first half of Thursday, that we could see showers and thunderstorms developing. That will last possibly into around Thursday early evening. Before then we dry out. Cold front will then completely move through the area by around Thursday overnight. That should at least relax the temperatures a little bit, but we are still going to be well above average. The only relief we see Friday, we'll have highs in the upper 80s, but we'll be right around 90 degrees as we head into the weekend, and possibly back to the mid-90s as we start off the next week. So not looking real good on the precipitation front, no surprise there, and we still remain very, very hot on the long term. That'll do it for your weather webcast on this Tuesday afternoon. We'll have updates on our blog, also on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And if you're local to us, we invite you to join us for WMBD 31 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a great Tuesday evening.